All right, so this is week 4 of my FTT 211 instructor Shelly Hooten. This is the final week, so we're going to go ahead and finish putting this girl together. We're also going to put the sights on the barrel, and then we'll, like I said, put it all together. So just real quick, I want to make sure that I get this out there. I had such a hard time with the butt plate and the toe plate, and my screws were just really messed up. I couldn't find anything online, so what I did is I went to Home Depot and I found these small brass ones. They are Phillips heads, and they don't fit just right, but I'm going to cinch them down, and then once I can find the correct ones, I'll try giving Traditions a call and see if I can get some. But once I get the correct ones, then I'll pop those in. Just so I'm letting you know, I'm using replacement screws for my butt plate and for my toe plate. But everything else I have, and we're ready to go. So let's get to it. By the way, my work area is free and clear of any ammunition, any firearms, so except for the one I'm working on. So my work area is safe. Thank you. All right, so right now I have the barrel mounted in my vise. I'm going to install the two sights, the rear sight and the front sight, so that way we get that knocked out and it's done, and then we can move back over to this desk or this table and finish the process. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Now that those are done, we're going to move on here to the rest of the rifle here. All right, we're going to do the front and rear tenons. I mean, not tenons, but front and rear thimbles. Then we're going to move. Well, actually, going to do the butt plate first, toe plate, then the thimbles, and then we'll go from there. All right, so now that those are done, we're going to move on to the trigger. And as I'm locking down the trigger assembly, I need to put down the retention clip for the plunger. Next, we're doing the barrel. Now we'll place on the nose cap, the end cap. Next, we're going to place the powder nipple. Function test. Hammers back. First trigger. And then second trigger releases it. We'll do it again. Function check. Hammer back. First trigger. Second trigger. Right on the primer. That's nice. Okay. So, again, the buckstop was the only thing that I really had a problem with. I did replace the screws with some Phillips screws, brass Phillips screws. They don't look the greatest, but get you a better look here. So this is my finished project. Again, function check. One trigger, two triggers. Don't want to let it go by itself. Everything's there. This concludes my week 4. I really enjoyed it, and I'm actually going to probably order a couple of these and build them for my boys. So, thank you.